Happy New Year, everyone! I hope you all had a lovely holiday season. I had a great time in Lapland with my family, but I'm excited to get back into routine and meal prepping since it makes healthy eating so much easier. To start off the new year, I have some very exciting news. My new meal prep ebook is now here. It has 80 healthy and high protein recipes, 20 breakfast, 20 lunch, 20 snack, and 20 dinner recipes. All the recipes are easy to make and beginner friendly. The link to the book is in the description box and in the pinned comment. Today, I'm gonna prep some of my favorite recipes from the book. All these meals combined will get you over 100 grams of protein per day. We're gonna start by making blended blueberry pie overnight oats for breakfast. Here is the recipe from the book. We're just going to add all the ingredients into a blender. Oats, chia seeds, which are a great source of fiber and healthy fats, and high protein Greek yogurt, which gives these overnight oats a very creamy texture. Next, we'll add some maple syrup for sweetness, but you could use any liquid sweetener you like. Then we add vanilla extract, cinnamon, ground cardamom, and lemon zest for that blueberry pie flavor. Next, we add lots of blueberries. I used thawed frozen wild blueberries. And lastly, we add milk. And then we just blend until smooth. Then just divide the mixture into jars or containers. Blended overnight oats are perfect for you if you don't like the texture of regular overnight oats. They have more a pudding-like texture. They're so creamy and delicious. These taste just like blueberry pie. I like to add some fresh berries on top. They thicken in the fridge overnight. These last in the fridge for about 4 days. For lunch, we're making a super easy pesto pasta salad. First, we'll cook some lentil pasta, which is high in protein and fiber. Then we'll make the pesto dressing. We need just Greek yogurt, pesto, and green onions. They didn't have green onions in the grocery store, so this time I'm using chives. Then we divide the dressing into big glass jars. The jars I use are 1 liter or about 34 ounces. Next, we add the cooked lentil pasta. And then we add some mini mozzarellas, cherry tomatoes, lots of arugula, and lastly, fresh basil. The point of salad jars is that the dressing is at the bottom of the jars so the veggies on top won't get soggy. Before serving, pour the ingredients into a bowl or plate and toss. So simple and delicious. For snack, we're prepping Ferrero Rocher inspired energy bites. We mix all the ingredients together. Unsweetened nut butter. I like to use peanut butter because it's higher in protein. Then we'll add some maple syrup, almond flour, cacao powder, vegan chocolate protein powder, and lastly, some milk. I recommend adding less milk first and then adding more if needed. Then we'll roll the mixture into 8 balls and insert a hazelnut to the center of each bite. Lastly, we'll roll the bites in crushed hazelnuts. These are such a fun and easy snack idea that you can also take on the go. Lastly, we'll make lasagna for dinner. First, we add the ingredients for the white sauce into a blender. The secret ingredient is cottage cheese, which makes it really creamy and adds extra protein. We also add some milk, parmesan, and a pinch of pepper. Then we cook lean ground beef and season it with salt and pepper. If you don't have IBS, you could of course add some garlic and onion to this. Next, we add oregano, dried basil, chopped green onions or chives, And lastly, crushed tomatoes. We'll let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we cut a zucchini into strips lengthwise. Then we pour 1/3 of the tomato beef mixture into a baking dish and add 3 lasagna noodles on top and press them down. Then we'll add 1/3 of the white sauce on top and sprinkle a little bit of parmesan on top. Then we'll add the zucchini slices on top. And next we just repeat the process. For the last layers, we add the tomato sauce, lasagna noodles, and the white sauce, and parmesan on top. We cover the baking dish with foil and bake at 375 Fahrenheit, 190 in Celsius for about 30 minutes. Then we remove the foil and bake for 15 minutes more. This lasagna is super tasty and packed with protein. It has 49 grams of protein per serving. And here are all the ready meals. I hope you try out these recipes. You can find 80 healthy and high protein meal prep recipes with nutritional info in my new ebook. Link is in the description box and in the pinned comment. Enjoy!